In this video, I'm going to show you the best pumpkin location in Once Human. So this, again, I said it's the best location, however, I think it's the best for a kind of early game, because as you can see, it only requires level 28 to be over here, and it's actually quite safe. There's a bunch of mobs, but they have low HP, and you can kill them off easily. So as you can see, I'm at the Iron River. If you have this teleportation tower unlocked, you can teleport over here, and then walk to this city called Rippleby Market. You can also see that it's the Winding Ridge Frontier next to it. Now, just locate it and walk over here. You can see the coordinates at the bottom right of my screen. And then over here, at kind of this section, as you can see where I'm at right now, of this area, you can see there's a bunch of pumpkins in this little garden over here. You can just roam around and you can collect as many of these pumpkins as you possibly can, and as many as there are. Now, if you need more, of course, you can always walk to the nearest teleportation tower, change worlds and come back, or simply just wait a few minutes and they will respawn and you can come back and collect those again. So that's pretty much it. That's one of the best early game pumpkin locations in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.